Hi guys, it's Wamaka aka Makis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about how to handle a rude customer. Yes, a rude customer. It's not easy to be a businesswoman or a businessman in times like this. Some people walk into your store and they want to just abuse you, especially if what you are selling is quite higher than their budget. But don't worry, we've come up with 6 good points on how you can handle them and still be at peace with yourself. So first of all, I would love you to note this down. First of all, you have to be polite. No one resists a polite person. No matter how they are, no matter how tough they think they are, or hardened they think they are, once you are polite, they want to listen to you. Just try as much as possible to be polite, no matter how they are shouting and ranting. Number 2, wear a smile. Yes, wear a beautiful smile on your face, even if they are shouting at you or shouting about your product or services. Just try to wear a smile on your face. Do not let them read what's going on in your heart. Do not let them do that. Number 3, make sure your smile doesn't fade. No matter how long they are ranting and shouting, don't let that beautiful smile fade. Keep it glowing, keep the smile on, and make sure they see how genuine that smile is, because if that smile fades in 2 seconds, they can easily tell that it was never genuine. Number 4, compliment them once they are catching their breath. Yeah, once in a while, people shout, but there's a time they want to breathe. That moment they are breathing, just try to make sure that you compliment them. You can say something like, you actually have a beautiful eye. I love your eye color, this and that. People love compliments. Some people don't get compliments in their homes or offices, but if they find someone who says something good about them, they will want to always come close to that person. Yes. Number 5. Was that number? Yeah, that was number 5. Number 6 right now. Number 5 rather, sorry. Number 5, make sure you use words like please, calm down, thank you, we understand, don't worry, we can handle this, we will do better next time. They want to be assured that you can do a better work next time, or they want to be sure that next time they're visiting your store or your shop, you will give them a better product or a better service. Number 6, the last but not the least point, if your office or store has an exit door that needs to be opened, offer to open the door for them. Everyone wants to be treated nicely. Everyone wants to be treated like a king or a queen. So if they find someone who they are rude to, do that job for them. Trust me, you have millions and millions of customers running to your shop with them. Thank you. I hope these points were helpful. If you love our channel, please kindly hit the like button, give us a thumbs up, yeah, subscribe to our channel, watch, and always hold on to our next our videos. We'll always make sure we give you content that you would love. Thank you. It's Makis Wamaka. Thank you, and God bless you. Mwah.